I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. I've been to many countries in Europe. I've been studying Spanish for 2 years now. I've been feeling a little under the weather lately. I've been working on this project for weeks. I've been trying to contact you for days. I've been dreaming about traveling to Asia. I've been meaning to call my grandparents for a while. I've been saving up for a new car. I've been practicing yoga for a few months. I've been enjoying the warm weather lately. I've been thinking about what you said. I've been watching the news every night. I've been feeling grateful for my friends and family. I've been working out regularly to stay healthy. I've been listening to a lot of podcasts recently. I've been feeling stressed about my exams. I've been missing my hometown a lot lately. I've been looking for a new job for months. I've been learning to cook new recipes. I've been feeling anxious about the future. I've been enjoying spending time outdoors. I've been struggling with insomnia. I've been taking care of my mental health. I've been trying to cut down on sugar. I've been spending more time with my family. I've been feeling inspired by nature. I've been volunteering at a local charity. I've been feeling grateful for my education. I've been trying to be more mindful. I've been feeling creative lately. I've been feeling more confident in myself. I've been trying to save money for a trip. I've been learning to play guitar. I've been reading a lot of books recently. I've been feeling proud of my accomplishments. I've been trying to stay positive. I've been missing my old job. I've been feeling hopeful about the future. I've been trying to be more patient with others. I've been enjoying spending time with my pets. I've been feeling inspired by art. I've been learning to speak a new language. I've been trying to be more organized. I've been feeling excited about a new project. I've been trying to reduce my carbon footprint. I've been feeling grateful for my health. I've been enjoying trying new foods. I've been feeling curious about the world. I've been working on improving my communication skills.